What is going on, guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be working on our Tesla Model 3 and we're going to be installing our Sportline carbon fiber front splitter. We're going to be walking you through the installation and how to do it yourself. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. First thing you'll want to do, as always with this type of install, is go ahead and clean the area we're going to be working on, wash the car, clean the front bumper really well. Our car here had a lot of bugs stuck to it. So really take your time and scrub it down really well. Make sure there's no bugs or wax, grease, anything like that, dirt still stuck to the bumper. So once we're good and clean, we're gonna go ahead and grab our front splitter and test fit it before we go any further. All right, so I'm just gonna hold the lip in the center, and it's nice and light, so it's gonna hold its shape. And we can just slip it on. And this actually fits really well. It fits pretty much exactly around these curves here and around the side, and this back edge hooks over the back edge of the bumper. So this is pretty much exactly where it's gonna sit. Before I take this off, I'm gonna mark this with some tape. And this is just so we know when we're cleaning with our wax and grease remover and our adhesion promoter. This is just so we know not to go above this line. We only need to put it right here where the lip is going to be sitting. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark that top edge along the front and on both sides. All right, once we've got that marked, we can just pull this back off. Now here's where we're gonna come in with our prep wipe, our wax and grease remover. This is gonna clean this area, make sure there's no wax, grease, fingerprints, any contaminants that are gonna prevent the splitter from sticking. So let's just go ahead and wipe this area down really well. I'm just gonna come back with a clean towel and get anything that's left, get it dry. Now let's just make note of where the tape is located on the splitter. So it's gonna be the top and bottom edge. So this is where we're gonna concentrate our adhesion promoter on the bumper. So that top edge we marked with the tape, and then the very bottom edge of the bumper. All right, now we've got our adhesion promoter on there. We can just give that a few seconds until it appears dry. Now what I like to do on big parts like this to make it a little bit easier to install is we're not gonna peel the whole backing of the tape. We're just gonna peel a little bit like that. That way we have a tag end. And when we go to put this on the car, we're gonna make sure this end is sticking out where we can grab it. And we're gonna place this on the car, and then we're just gonna pull the rest of our tape once it's in position, and I'll show this again once we're on the car. All right, so our bumper's clean. We've got our wax and grease remover wiped down. We've got our adhesion promoter applied, and we've got our tape partially peeled. So now we're just gonna go ahead and set this up there and make sure all of our tag ends remain sticking out. And this pretty much pushes right into place. It follows the contours of the bumper pretty much exactly. So I can get rid of this blue tape now. All right, so now we can just start right here. And I'm just gonna pull the rest of this. Give it a good press. I'm gonna start pulling this bottom. And I'm just gonna press and pull a little bit as we go. And now I'm gonna get this top bit started. So just work your way all the way around the bumper, pulling that tape and pressing into position at the same time. Once you get everything pulled and the lip is nice and pressed into place, you are done. So that completes our install of the Sportline carbon fiber front splitter for Tesla Model 3. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. And if you want to check this out for yourself, as always, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.